Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure Honista is updated and you're signed in. This prevents missing features. Once done, grant microphone and recording permissions so voice changes apply in real time. Now open Settings and tap Voice to reveal presets and the advanced editor. You're not configuring everything yet. First, pick a base preset that matches your target range so subsequent sliders behave predictably. This step sets the foundation for accurate pitch and timbre edits. You now refine the core sound. Start with pitch and move in small increments. 1 to 2 semitone changes keep results natural. Then shape timbre via brightness, nasality, and warmth to match character, make incremental adjustments, and listen. Once satisfied, apply subtle effects. A touch of reverb, a gentle EQ curve, and a formant shift to alter perceived vocal size. Make sure to use the preview button between changes so you hear cause and effect clearly. You finish by saving your custom preset with a descriptive name and testing it in a test call or voice message to confirm consistency. If you notice latency, audio dropouts, or distortion, reduce heavy FX, lower the sample rate, or close background apps. This often fixes performance issues. If the voice still sounds off, reset the preset or delete it and rebuild step by step. Doing so isolates the problematic parameter and gets you back to a clean starting point.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.